Hello everyone, welcome to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can verify your phone number in ChatGPT. So as you open the ChatGPT app, you need to either create a new account or log in with the existing account. Phone number verification happens when you create a new account. So let me show you how you can do that. While creating a new account in ChatGPT, it will ask for your personal details and your phone number. As you enter your phone number and go to the next step, the app will itself use the verification code sent through SMS and enter it itself. You don't have to enter the verification code manually. You can simply tap on continue and go to the next step to complete creating your account. You don't have to verify your phone number once your account is already created. So the only step to verify your phone number is while creating a new account. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to show some support.